Today, we will discuss the relationship between the fault lines in the Earth's crust and an earthquake. This dislocation of the rock occurs from the Earth's surface 7 kilometers to several hundred kilometers vertically down to the crust. The earthquake's focus is called the epicenter, which is vertically beneath the interior of the Earth's crust, and the energy releases and transfers through epicenter. The faults are the fracture on the Earth's crust. The position of the epicenters can be identified by the faults map. Looking down from the center of the Earth, it will result in seismic wave, which is decreased as it moved away from the epicenter.
This audio is very short and very fast. The lecture was about discuss relationship between the earthquakes and the earth crush. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that the earthquake is happen focused on the epicenter. Moreover, the speaker suggested that the energy released from the epicenter from the earth crush can be identified by the fault map from the height. Finally, the speaker concluded that the earth crush moved away from the epicenter, which created the earthquake. So for this one, I could not be able to get lots of keywords. First, he speaks very fast. Second, it's quite also a short audio too. So try our best, try to make sure that whatever the keywords you have, it needs to be clear to the computer. Right, now you can be able to see how long do I speak? I speak more than 30 seconds and finish before 40 seconds. Pronunciation this time is a bit better, right? Because like I mentioned, sometimes you speak quite fast, it may not be clear enough. So again, you don't speak too fast, but not too slow. So make sure we speak in the way that computer can understand most of the word that you are saying, okay? The lecture was about discuss relationship between the earthquakes and the earth crush. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that the earthquake is happen focused on the epicenter. Moreover, the speaker suggested that the energy released from the epicenter from the earth crush can be identified by the fault map from the height. Finally, the speaker concluded that the earth crush moved away from the epicenter, which created the earthquake. Okay, so pretty much everything is related to the audio, so your content will be maximum, right? And again, don't hesitate, that will help you with your oral fluency, right? Now I can show you my notes, which is not much. So this is also the reason why you can see that, right? This is also the reason why you guys need to have the template and the structure, because that will help you to, speak a bit longer. Because again, if you finish too early, it will impact on your speaking. So you need to speak more than 30 seconds, okay?